Hello guys, it's me, Rapi Sam Still, and today's vlog guys, we have the two new drones from DJI. Again, this drone guys is perfect for first-time user of drone and even semi-pro. So again, for traveler, content creator, this drone is perfect for you. So again guys, we have here the DJI Neo compare with the DJI Flip, the new DJI Flip. So let's see and check which the best drone and perfect for your needs. So again guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start. But first, if you like this music, background music, yes guys, this music, check the Audiio. Again, the Audiio is a platform that you can download a tons and fresh daily uploads of background music and sound effects. And again, they have a two cool AI, which is the Link Match and the Hans AI. The Link Match is a tool from Audiio that you can put the sample audio from YouTube and TikTok. If you like the audio that came from TikTok or YouTube, again, you can copy the URL and paste it to the Link Match, and the Link Match will recommend you a similar song or similar beat with the background music that you need. Also, there's an Hans AI. The Hans AI is a script that you can put the script and let the Hans AI will recommend you best music, background music to your script that you put in the script. That's why it's Hans AI. So, yan. Again, guys, if you want to avail a 70% off for the Audiio Pro in 1 year, check the description in this video and put the save 70 for the code, and you will get 70% off in 1 year for the Audiio Pro. So, again, guys, also the Audiio Pro is available already in smartphones. So, you can download the apps through smartphones. So, anywhere you are, and you can download and you can edit from your mobile and post it with the TikTok and YouTube, for reels. Guys, so let's back to our topic and for our vlog for today, the DJI Flip versus DJI Neo. So which one is the right for you? So again, first let's go with the design and portability. So the DJI Flip, the DJI features a unique folding design with full coverage propeller guards, enhancing safety during flights. When folded, it resembles a bicycle spoke, making it convenient to carry. Weighing under 249 grams, the Flip strikes a balance between portability and advanced functionality. While the DJI Neo, it's ultra compact and lightweight design, weighing just 135 grams. This makes an exceptional portable in idea for spontaneous adventures. Its minimalist build allows users to launch it directly from their palm, embracing ease of use for beginners. Regarding for the camera and capabilities, the DJI Flip, equipped with 1 1/3 inch CMOS sensor, it captures 48 megapixel photos and record 4K video up to 60 frames. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures stable footage, and the features like dual native ISO fusion and the f1.7 aperture enhance image quality. While the DJI Neo comes with 1 1/2 inch sensor, capturing 12 megapixel photos and 4K videos at 30 frames. It utilizes a single-axis mechanical gimbal, offering basic stabilization suitable for casual shooting. Regarding the flight performance, DJI Flip offers a maximum flight time up to 31 minutes and features a forward-facing 3D and infrared sensor for obstacle avoidance. Its foldable design integrated prop guards for enhanced safety, making it ideal for flying the crowd or closed spaces. While the DJI Neo provides a flight time up to 18 minutes and it's ideal to flights in indoor environments. It can take off from the palm of your hand and records via video in 4K 30 frames. Regarding for the unique features, again, the DJI Flip supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB or gigabyte, allowing extensive storage. For high-resolution content, it also offers advanced shooting modes and intelligent features for creative content creator. while the DJI Neo features 22 GB of internal storage but lacks of expandable storage options. It's ultra lightweight, design and easy to use make it ideal for quick, spontaneous flights and social media content creator. So again guys, which one you will choose? If you want to choose for DJI Flip or DJI Neo, it depends on your specification guys. So again, the DJI Flip is ideal for users seeking high image quality, longer flight times, and advanced features, suitable for beginners, performers, or content creators aiming for more control over their footage. Regarding for DJI Neo, it's a perfect for casual hobbyists, first-time drone users, and travelers who prioritize portability and ease of use for quick, shareable content. So again guys, this is the two DJI drone that perfect for beginners and for content creators. So again guys, I will leave it to you to decide which one do you think it's the best for you. The portable DJI Neo or the flip DJI Flip, which is you can flip. But the quality and the battery is more than the Neo. So ayan guys, I think that's it for a quick vlog regarding DJI Neo and DJI Flip. So again guys, if you want to check the price and availability of these two drones, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, if you want to check all the DJI product, check our website www.abworld.com. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.